Hello everyone, my name is Swani and today we are learning about workshop safety. Okay, so why do we need safety? In our mind, the question will arise, why do we need safety? Safety we need because to protect ourselves from any kind of accident. Okay. In our daily life, we are doing various types of operation or various types of works. Okay, so during that operation or during that works, we obey some safety precaution or safety rules to avoid any kind of accident. To protect ourselves from any kind of accident, we need some safety equipment. What are these? These are called PPE. That means personal protective equipment. PPE, personal protective equipment. So these are first of all safety shoe. Safety shoe. The safety shoe. Another one is safety goggles, safety gloves, hand gloves, and safety apron. And basically for welding, a separate helmet is also available. So these are also called a safety helmet. And for our welding purpose also, a special category safety goggles also available. Okay. So these are PPE. You can say that these are PPE or personal protective equipment. Okay. Next, go to machine safety. So today we are discussing about lathe machine safety. Okay. So before that, I little bit give a introduction about lathe machine. Lathe machine. Okay. So what is lathe machine? Lathe machine nothing but is a machine tool. Okay. So it can rotate workpiece on an axis. Okay. So lathe machine is a machine tool. It can rotate the workpiece on an axis. Okay. So in this machine, what kind of operation we can do? Basically, by the help of this machine, we can knurling, turning, facing, drilling, etc. operation can be do. Okay. So before that, we little bit discuss about machine safety. Machine safety means lathe machine safety. Okay. So first of all, we are going to start some operation. Okay. So first of all, we very clearly understand about the drawing. That to be manufactured after the drawing study. So first of all, before starting any kind of operation, we need very clearly understand about the drawing. What is figure present on a paper and what we need to manufacture by the help of workpiece. By the help of workpiece and machine. Okay. So here, suppose we need a turning operation. So accordingly, the drawing will be studied. So before start a operation, we need understand very clearly about the workpiece drawing. Okay. Second point is that before start the machine, we ensure where is the on, off and emergency stop switch of the machine. Why? Because if we are going to start, then how can we start? By the help of on-off switch, on-off switch. Okay. And later, if you want to shut down or if you want to stop the machine, then you go for switch off the machine. So here Very important to clear about the location of the on, off and emergency switch. Okay. Another point is that before start the machine, we check whether the workpiece is present at proper center or not. Because it is a rotating machine. Okay, because it is a rotating machine, the chalk is rotated around axis on an axis. So here, before start the operation, first of all we check whether the workpiece is proper in a center position or not. If not in center position, then we can make it center. Okay, by the help of dial gauge. Okay. Another point is that before start the machine, we ensure the workpiece is properly fastened in chalk and chalk. Another point is that this is coolant line. Coolant means to reduce the heat generated during the operation from workpiece and tool bit. To reduce the heat generated during the operation from workpiece and tool bit, we need some coolant to reduce the heat. Okay, so this is coolant line. So before start operation, we check the coolant operation is properly worked or not. Another point is that whether coolant is present inside the coolant tank or not. If not available in tank, then immediately fill the coolant inside the tank, and after that coolant pump will run. Another point is that in this machine, at various locations, there are some lubrication purpose. There are some lubrication purpose nipple present. Okay. In this nipple or by this nipple, we can fill up, we can fill, or we can put some grease or any oil from proper operation or for smooth operation. Okay, this is one type of safety. Okay. Another point is that do not cause any movable part during operation. This is a movable part, this is a movable part, this is also a movable part, this is also a movable part. So these are movable part in a lathe machine. These are common movable part in a lathe machine. Okay. So during operation, do not try to touch any movable part by your hand. Another point is that before start any cutting operation, that may be facing, that may be topping, that may be knowing, that may be drilling, any kind of operation by lathe. Before that, you check the cutting tool tip. Why? Cutting tool tip shaft is very important for cutting point of view. So here, before start any operation by lathe, first of all, we check the cutting tool tip sharpness. Okay? Okay. So another point is that in inside headstock of lathe machine, there are so many belt drive arrangement is present. If any case, if belt is slip from or belt is out from the track of the pulley, then do not touch directly to the belt and pulley. First of all, switch off the machine and give some time to machine to come to rest position of the movable part. After that, you can go to open the guard of the belt drive. Then after you can adjust it. Okay. And this is the choke part. Before start operation, you kindly ensure the jaw are properly tight or not. This is choke key. This is choke key. By the help of choke key, we can tighten the jaw. We can tighten the jaw. Okay. And before starting operation, you just keep away all the tools. You just keep away all the tools from machine part. Why? Because if any tools touch with the by mistake touch with the movable part, then it may be goes to a big accident. So carefully, before start any kind of machine, this is a lathe machine. But if you start any kind of machine before that, first of all, learn very carefully about the machine and what are the safety precautions of the machine. And then after you can go to start the machine, so that you can save. Okay. So now come to point another topic about lathe machine introduction. Okay. So previously I have told little bit about lathe machine, but here I again give a brief introduction about lathe machine. Okay. So lathe machine, you can say it is a machine tool. This is a machine tool. Okay, by the help of machine tool, we can do various kind of operation, and we can discuss it later. Okay. So first of all, this is a lathe machine, or this is a lathe machine tool, which rotate the workpiece on an axis for different kind of operation. And very important point is that by the help of this machine, you can do only symmetric type of object. Okay. Now, what are the operation doing by the help of this lathe machine? Okay. Main operation is that facing. Suppose this is a workpiece, okay, and this workpiece face is this. Okay, so facing operation is doing by the help of cutting tool and touch with the face of the workpiece and curve the face. Okay. Next operation is turning. Turning means a workpiece outer surface can be cut, so that we can get a finished product or finished surface, outer surface. Okay, this is turning. So one is facing, another one is turning. Another operation is that drilling. In the tailstock, this is tailstock. Okay, this part is known as tailstock. Inside this tail stop, by the help of this tail stop, we can hold the wheel bead by some special attachment of the lathe machine. Okay. By the help of tail stop, we can make also welding operation. Another operation is that the knurling. What is knurling? Knurling is just think that to handle or to grip a workpiece or any object properly, we need knurling surface on a workpiece. Okay, so knurling operation also doing by some special tool and which is fixed in this tool post. Okay, so knurling process is the process which is to hold any kind of object or any kind of workpiece, and the tool, the knurling tool, is hold inside the tool post, so that the operation can be done. And next, we go to various parts of the lathe machine. Various parts of the lathe machine. Okay. So this part is called as headstock. This part is called as headstock. This part attached to the job. Okay. This part is called as tailstock. This part is called as tailstock. This part is known as bed. This is V-type bed. Okay. This part is known as carriage section. This part is known as carriage section. And this part is cross slide. And this is fixed to the carriage section. This part is known as compound slide. This is tool post. This is lead screw, and this is feed rod. And inside the headstock, here only belt type arrangement is present. And this is lathe chock. This is 3-jaw chock. Another one chock is 4-jaw chock. This is, you can say that this is universal chock. Here you can see this is only, there is only 3 jaw present inside the jaw. The jaw can be adjusted by the help of jaw key. By the help of jaw key. Okay. This is hand wheel. We can rotate. We can use this to rotate the cross slide, compound slide, and carriage section. Okay. This part is known as uphold. This part is known as uphold. And this part is known as coolant line. This part is known as coolant line. And below that machine, a coolant can is present. From that, coolant comes to workpiece to reduce the heat. This is known as chip pan. During operation, some chip is formation operation or chip formation happening. Okay. To collect chips from a single point, we use this. This is chip pan. And later, after the operation, we clean the chip from chip pan. Okay? So these are the basic parts of the lathe machine. Another also electrical parts also present, that is one motor, which is give power supply to machine by the help of pulley, belt drive and gear arrangement inside the headstock. Okay, so these are the basic parts of the lathe machine. Okay, so now we discuss about basic function of each parts of lathe machine. This is job. Inside job, 3 jobs are attached. Its main function is that to hold the workpiece properly. The main function of the jaw is that to hold the workpiece properly. Okay? This is carriage section. Previously I told that this is carriage section. Main function is to that transfer the tool bit from left to right or right to left according to your requirement. Okay, and with this cross slide, compound slide, tool post, all are attached. This is cross slide and this is totally cross to bed. This is totally cross to lathe bed. So that this is called cross slide. This is all these attachment is present with the lathe machine and it can be adjusted according to your demand or according to your requirement. This is compound slide. For forward and backward tool post and tool bit, we need this hand wheel rotate clockwise. It will go to forward. Anti-clockwise, it will go to backward. Okay? Lead screw. Generally, lead screw function is very important. During threading operation, the lead screw attached to carriage to move and back the carriage according to requirement. Okay, this is feed rod. During operation, tool bit need to go forward to cutting the workpiece and whenever requirement come backward according to the requirement also. So this forward backward operation is can be do by the help of feed rod. Okay. So these are the basic parts function. Another one is tail stop. Its main function is that to hold any kind of supporting attachment. That means any kind of supporting attachment to hold the workpiece. You can hold drill bit inside tail stop so that drilling operation can be done. So like that, these are the basic parts and the basic parts also of the lathe machine. Okay? So today this much, and later we will discuss again on another topic. Okay? So thank you.